Mining Disrupt 2023 coverage is brought to you by our sponsors: Dynex Coin, HiveOn, Conceal Network, Alephium, Jingle Mining, Yeti Audits, Deep Miners Pool, The Beginner's Block, Dogelord Coffee, and WhatToMine.com. Check out our sponsors linked in this video's description.
Hey, what's going on, everyone? Vega here from SerpentX Tech. We are at the HiveOn booth at Mining Disrupt 2023. We got all kinds of little goodies here. I'm very interested in this. They're going to be talking about that here in a keynote that I will record or try to catch up with the team a little bit more about. We know about HiveOn Pool. HiveOn Pool, has a number of cryptocurrencies that you can mine right now, with plans to expand in the future. Stay tuned on that. Make sure you guys follow them and listen up. We also use their firmware to kind of optimize our ASICs and our various devices, whatever it might be. Maybe you got an ASIC. Obviously, they have a list that we go through online for the different devices that they support, or they can help you optimize it. So their software, HiveOn, has been utilized by miners, large scale to small scale, does not matter. They do a really good job helping the miners optimize their setup, be able to manage and maintain their energy, their efficiency, and they're just continuing to grow as the industry has grown. So make sure you check them out. I have them linked down in the description, and I appreciate everybody who helped make this trip possible to Mining Disrupt 2023. Make sure you check them out in the link in the description. As well, hit the like button on the way out, and I will try to get you some more information on this in particular. So stay tuned.